Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO P101, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Then choose Connection Preferences, click on Printing and Default Print Service. Finally, just wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different print service, disable the default one first by clicking on green sweater and go back. Now you can select Add Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP1. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!